Bitcoin is trading at 34.2k at this area. We see this very strong resistance at this very point, resisting the market from moving to the upside. What does that mean? And that is what I'm going to be talking about in today's analysis. And also on Bitcoin, for our chart, what you should be paying attention to right now is market going to come back down on ETH, ADA, and MATIC. All of these and more in today's analysis. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. And on the 1-day chart, this analysis is very important right now, and this is what you should be watching right now on the 1-day chart. If you look at this market move from here downward and then move up a little bit, but could not create a new high. Now the market have not paused formation. That means this candle right here is still forming. What I am expecting specifically on the 1-day chart is if the market break this level of support. So once I see a candle that break this level of support downward and close below this close right at this very point, then it is sign that the market is going to ride down for a retracement. This is what you need to watch right now on the 1-day chart. Is very important. So wait for the market to come back down, because this candle is still forming. It can turn out to be a bearish candle upward. That means market also have capacity of moving upward if you see a breakout here. But that upward move, I will not trust it. I'm not going to take a buy position if the market break out on this, because that move will possibly not last long in the market. Rather, what I am looking for is a breakout downward. So market should break on this resistance. Once we see that breakout on this resistance with a significant bearish candle, then the market is going to come down for significant retracement before continuation again to the upside. This is what I am watching right now on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart right here, I told you in my immediate last video right at this very point on the channel, you can watch this video, that the market is going to come back down, and market go up a little bit, and then right now is coming back to the downside. The level I said you should be watching is this very important level of support. This very area is very important on the chart. So I want to also see a breakout on this very line of support at this very point. So market should come back down and break out. If I did not see a breakout, there is no need taking a short position. The same thing on the 1-day chart. So on the 4-hour chart right here, a breakout is a must, because markets have the capacity of coming into this level and move upward for some time and finally move upward. Remember, when markets move within a boundary like this, is a form of consolidation, is a form of market pausing for market to gather momentum before the next move to the upside. One of the things we need to watch to know that the market is going to come back down is breakout of important structure. So market obey here the first time, obey the second time, and right now market is coming down. I am expecting the market coming to this area, and we should see a breakout with a significant bearish candle that close below every other close within this very zone of support. This is what you need to watch right now on the chart. And on ETH is not an exception. If you look at it, market has been on this level of support for a while, which means the market is very strong at this very level. I am also expecting that the market break out on this very zone right here. So a breakout here will send the market back down. And for BTC, if market break on this very area, the target you should expect the market to move into is this very area, like I talked to you about in my immediate last video, and that the market have capacity of coming down into this level of support, and you should not expect a drastic movement all the way from this zone after the breakout into this very area of support. Markets have capacity of moving a little bit, retrace, and then finally come back down. So we need to watch the way the market is moving away from this very level after breakout. And on ETH right here, if the market break here, expect the market to come into this very zone of support. So this very area of support right here is very important after breakout. Market is going to come back to the downside into this area before the retracement and the continuation to the downside. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on ETH. And like I said, the reason for the breakout is because this level is very strong. So a breakout will mean that all the buyers sitting at this very area resisting the market from coming back down is going to be removed by sellers, by big and massive sell orders for market to move back down. Remember, what moves the market is demand and supply. So we want to see that breakout with significant bearish candle, which means that the sellers are already in the market and willing to move the market to the downside. On ADA USDT, if you look at ADA, market has been moving upward. This is a very significant level. Market has failed to break on this very line of resistance. So this line of resistance is very important on the chart. We have this level tested thrice. So market test here, resistance right here, and resistance at this very point. This is very important. And remember, market was creating this very higher low. Okay, so if you draw this trend line from this very point of support right here to the upside, you discover that the market is in an uptrend and a breakout is necessary. So what I am expecting on ADA is the market to break out. Okay, so a breakout is necessary right here. Expect the market to come back down right now, and then a breakout here is going to send the market into this very area of support. This is what I am expecting right now. If you do not see a breakout, market will still have capacity of moving into this very area of resistance again, and then a breakout must happen within this very zone we are seeing right now on the chart. And I'm expecting this breakout to come back down for a significant retracement to the downside. And on MATIC, if you look at MATIC, a very strong level on MATIC as well that needs to break is this very area of support. So this very area of support, which was a supply, which was a demand zone at this very point. So demand zone at this very area, market move upward, and then from this area, market come back down into the same area, market move up, but have not created a new high. This also means that this area is becoming weak. What I want to see and what you should be expecting is the market coming back down and break out on this very level and move to the downside. And if we see a breakout here, which is what I am paying attention to this very week of trading, then this very area on the chart is very important. This very area is where I'm expecting the market to move into. So from here, after breakout, market is going to come back down, retrace before continuation back to the downside. So a breakout here will send the market back to the downside. And on XRP, the same thing. Market has failed to create a new high at this very point. So we see a high at this very area, which is a close here. No significant close is coming into the market right now at this very point. So the market have capacity of coming back into this very level of support. So expect the market to come down into this level of support. Then a breakout here as well will mean that the market is going to come back down into this very zone of support. So two things you need to watch on this very chart on XRP. Market should first of all come back down into this very area, which is very important, and then if you see a breakout here, market will come back into this area. So what I am expecting throughout this week of trading is retracement on this various chart. So on XRP USDT, market should retrace back to the downside after breakout. The same thing on MATIC, the same thing right here on ADA, market should break out here and come back down. ETH and BTC is not an exception. A breakout is required for market to move to the downside. This is what you should be expecting right now. And If you are new to this channel, please help like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Thank you very much for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.